The chart shows the front of the work. When knitting in the round, all rounds are read from right to left for right-handed knitters and for lefties who mirror knit. This matches the direction you're knitting for righties and is mirror image for lefties. The chart shows the front of the work. When working flat, we read the chart like a zigzag. From right to left for odd-numbered or front side rows, and left to right for backside or even rows. This matches how we're knitting. We turn our work at the end of each row and work in the opposite direction. Since the chart shows the front, a knit stitch on a backside or even row looks like a purl on the front side. When you purl on the backside, it looks like a knit on the front side. Sections worked flat have hashed backside rows and are labeled row.